Have you ever felt the need to heal, to release negative energy, or to restore peace within yourself? Sometimes, all we need is a simple, powerful practice that resonates with us deeply. The hooponopono mantra, especially when repeated 108 times, is one such practice that has the potential to bring incredible healing into our lives. And when combined with a calming frequency of 432 Hz, it amplifies the effect, offering a soothing and transformative experience. Hooponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice that focuses on forgiveness, reconciliation, and self-love. It works on the principle of healing through taking responsibility for the energy we emit into the world, and it invites peace by recognizing our role in any disharmony. The mantra itself consists of 4 simple phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. These phrases hold immense power, as they call on the energy of forgiveness, healing, and gratitude. Repeating them can help release any negative emotions, old wounds, and stress that might be holding us back from living fully. Now, what happens when you repeat this mantra 108 times? The number 108 is sacred in many spiritual traditions. It is believed to represent the universe and the oneness of all beings. Each repetition of the mantra brings us one step closer to releasing negative thought patterns, healing emotional wounds, and ultimately reconnecting with our true, peaceful nature. As you listen to this healing music set at 432 Hz, you'll notice that the sound resonates with a natural frequency. 432 Hz is known for being in harmony with the vibrations of the earth and the human body. It's said to promote healing, reduce stress, and help bring balance to the mind and spirit. When paired with the Ho'oponopono mantra, the combination becomes a powerful tool for healing, clearing, and recalibrating your energy. Whether you're seeking emotional healing, peace of mind, or simply a way to feel more centered and grounded, this practice is for you. It offers a direct path to transformation. All you need to do is listen, repeat the mantra in your mind, and allow the music and vibrations to wash over you. Take a deep breath and let go of any tension. Let the mantra guide you into a peaceful, healing space. As you repeat these words, feel the weight of your past lifting. Each repetition is a step towards forgiveness, self-love, and harmony. The healing power of these words, amplified by the frequency of 432 Hz, creates a space where you can reconnect with your true self, free of negativity and open to peace. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them. I'm sorry acknowledges the areas in your life where you may have caused harm, knowingly or unknowingly. Please forgive me is about releasing any guilt, resentment, or anger you might hold within. Thank you expresses gratitude for the lessons and the growth that comes with healing. And I love you is the ultimate affirmation of self-love and compassion, for you and for others. These 4 phrases, repeated 108 times, act as a cleansing tool for your spirit. With each repetition, you'll notice that your body starts to relax more deeply. Your thoughts begin to slow down, and your heart opens to a sense of forgiveness, love, and acceptance. The rhythm of the music and mantra together bring you into a state of meditative flow, helping you clear away old energies and inviting a sense of renewal. Healing is a journey, and it's one that begins with self-awareness. As you continue with this practice, notice how your inner dialogue shifts. You may find that old grievances begin to fade, replaced with feelings of peace and understanding. It's a powerful reminder that we have the ability to transform our lives through the simple, conscious act of choosing love and forgiveness. This practice isn't just about mental healing, it's about emotional and physical healing as well. The 432 Hz frequency has been known to promote better sleep, reduce anxiety, and even improve your overall sense of well-being. As you repeat the Ho'oponopono mantra and allow the healing vibrations to flow through you, it's like you're giving your body permission to heal itself. This combination of sound and intention helps restore balance to your mind, body, and spirit. As you continue with the 108 repetitions, don't rush through it. Let each repetition be an opportunity for deep reflection. You might find that some words resonate with you more than others, or that certain feelings arise as you say them. This is part of the process, allowing space for emotions to surface so they can be healed. Healing isn't always linear, and that's okay. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to let go of what no longer serves you. If you've never tried hooponopono before, now is the perfect moment. Even if you have, doing it in combination with 432 Hz music can deepen the experience. You don't need to have any special skill or background to make this practice work for you. All you need is an open heart and a desire for healing. The process is simple, yet incredibly profound. Over time, you may notice shifts in your emotional state, your relationships, and your overall outlook on life. When we forgive, we are not excusing the behavior of others, we are freeing ourselves from the burden of carrying negative emotions. Holding on to anger or resentment only harms us in the end. Hooponopono teaches us that forgiveness is not just for others, but also for ourselves. It's about releasing the hurt and making space for peace. This process can be done at any time, whether you're facing a challenging situation, or simply want to create a moment of stillness and healing. You can repeat the mantra in your mind while meditating, or you can simply listen and let the music guide you through the process. It's important to allow the frequency of 432 Hz to work its magic. The sound will help you tune into a deeper state of relaxation and calm, making it easier for you to let go of any negativity you're holding onto. The beauty of the hooponopono practice is that it's not bound by time or space. Whether you're sitting in a quiet room or out in nature, you can carry the mantra with you. Each repetition is an act of healing, and each act of healing brings you closer to your true, peaceful self. With consistent practice, the benefits of hooponopono and 432 Hz music will become more apparent. You may begin to notice changes in your energy levels, your emotional health, and your overall sense of well-being. What once seemed like an overwhelming burden might start to feel lighter. Negative thoughts and emotions will lose their grip on you, and you'll find that peace becomes more natural, more accessible. It's important to understand that healing doesn't always happen in the way we expect. It can come in waves, sometimes slowly, and sometimes quickly. Trust the process, and trust that each repetition is creating a shift in your energy. Even on days when it feels like nothing has changed, know that you are making progress. The healing power of the hooponopono mantra and the 432 Hz frequency are at work, even when it's not immediately obvious. As you go through your day, try to carry the energy of this practice with you. The simplicity of the mantra and the peace it brings. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you are not just words. They are reminders of the love and compassion that are always available to us, no matter what we're going through. Whether you choose to practice hooponopono for 108 repetitions or make it part of your daily routine, know that every repetition is a step toward a more peaceful, loving, and healed version of yourself. It's a simple yet profound practice that, when combined with the healing frequency of 432 Hz, can truly transform your life. Take your time with it, be gentle with yourself, and allow the healing to unfold naturally. With each repetition, you are not just healing yourself, you are creating a ripple effect of peace that can extend out into the world. So, take a deep breath, center yourself, and let the music and mantra guide you. You are worthy of healing, peace, and love. Let this practice be a reminder that you have the power to heal from within. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you feel lighter, more at peace, and more connected to your true essence.